Forms, right? Forms. Just let's understand what forms. Forms. Spring Boot. What? Spring Boot forms, right? Spring Boot form. We are implementing in the Web MVC, right? Web MVC. Spring Boot forms. Web MVC. Web MVC now. But so okay. So we know that in the form, like how different inputs are there, right? Like what is that? Text is there, right? Text is there. After then, what a radio button is there. So we will create it one form, guys. Okay, we will create one form radio button are there. After then, what drop down is there. Another one is what text area. Text area is there. After then, what is the check boxes is there, right? Checkbox. After then, what is that? Multi select, right? Multi select drop down. Multi select drop down, like etc. This type of different components are there or not, guys, in the HTML? Come on. So using these different type inputs, right? Using what these different type of inputs, what we are doing now, we are sending the data to our what UI, to our what controller now. Okay, good. So okay, so we know that, okay, in the controller, so the form, right? If a form data is there, so in the last session, right? In the last session, we seen that, right? In the last session, what we seen that HTML forms, how we are rating means what? One HTML form equal to what? One object, right? One object, right? One HTML form equal to what? How our IOC container will create the form, whatever form Spring container will create. Spring container will create what? One object. And what we are doing that from the container, how we are reading now, guys? Controller. In the controller, we are using what? @model attribute or not, guys? Come on.
Model attribute.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, based on that model attribute in the controller, what we are doing now, we are reading the data or not, guys? Come on.
Reading the data from the
From the
reading
container,
Yes,
data
right?
Ravi.
from form.
Yeah, good, very good. Okay, so same like, okay, so the some responsibility is there, right? At the time of developing different type of input at the form, if we are sending the form data, so what our container is saying, that is Spring container responsibility, guys. Everyone having their responsibility, right, in the doing the work, right? Even the company also, whenever we are doing the work at the time, what is that? What is the different roles and responsibilities there, right? So same like here also. So whenever we are creating one form, the form will create in the object, but who is the creating the object? Spring container, right? A Spring container is creating that. What is that? Is creating what? Creating object, right? Object. In what is that? It's taking what? 4 step now, guys. Okay, to create the 4 steps, it's taking what? 4 steps to what? Create the object now, guys. Okay, good. Okay, Spring container is creating object in what? 4 step. What is that first step? What is taking now, guys? What is taking now? First step is what? First step, creating the object. Object, what is that? First, what it will do now? What our container is doing now, guys? We will implement as a practical. Just theory is going on. Concentrate on this area, right? Concentrate on what? This area. Second one is what? Read. What is read forms? Read forms input, right? Inputs. Read form inputs, right? Another third one is what? Guys? Third one is parse. Parse data if what? Parse data if what? If required. Pass data if required. Third one is what now, guys? Fourth one is what? Fourth one is what? Fourth one, set data to object. These responsibility to whom now, guys? These responsibility to whom? IOC container, right?
container.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so now, but by seeing this one, right? This responsibility is taken care by whom now, guys? IOC container. But programmer also, what is that? Follow 4 step. What follow 4 step to write? What is that? Write what? Our inputs as well as what? Our model data, right? So good. So what is that? See this. Okay, see this. Okay. Good. Programmer is what? Following 4 steps, right? Programmer also following what? 4 steps now. First one is what? A. Define a class, right? Define a class with what is that? With what? Any name, right? We have need to define one class with what? Any name. After then what? Second one is what now, guys? Second step is what? Second step is provide what? Provide a default constructor. After then what is that? C. Third one is number of what? Number of variable. Number of variable equal to what? Number of form input. Number of variable equal to what? Number of what? Form input now. Okay, good. So after then what? Last step what? Form input name. Form input name must what? Must what? Match with what? Match with what? Match with what? Variable. Variable name, guys. Okay, these rule if we follow, rule if we follow, then what? We can able to read the data inside what? We can able to read data inside that what, guys? Our inside our what? Our controller class, right? So good. So okay, let's see that. Okay, guys, so what we will do now? So just I'm going to create what? One form, guys. Okay, just I'm going to create one form. Okay, so like that. Okay, so what I'm going to give to you people, see this. Okay, so just think about that. This is the form. Our form is there, right? This is our form is there. Okay, so what will happen now? So here what? Name is there, right? Here what? Name is there. Another one is what? Name is there. Another one is what, guys? Another one I'm taking what? Password. Password I'm taking, right? After then what? Another one input I'm taking what? In the form gender. Gender, right? After then what? I'm taking different projects also there, right? So I'm taking what? Projects. Project, right? I'm taking what? Project. After then I'm taking what? Address. Address, right? After then I'm taking what? Language. Lang, language, right? After then these are the inputs are there, right? These inputs I'm taking now, guys. Okay, these inputs I'm taking. So good. So after then what is there now here? What is there here now? Okay, so before explanation, guys. Okay, actually one small story, everyone know that. That is story, everyone know that, right, guys? So okay. So so what I'm going to do now? Hi Padma. Good morning.
Hi. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, Padma. Just one story. Just I'm going to explain one story. Everyone know that, guys. That is story. Everyone know that. Okay. So I will conclude one small things, Padma, in this story. Okay. So please see this story. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. See this, guys. That just a small. Actually, you know. One more things, guys. If anything is there, right, in your life also, like some, if anyone is there, like close to you, okay. So what is that? If bad things is there inside that person, don't tell front of everyone, right? If the person, if person is good, right, so tell each and front of each and every person, right? So like that only, then first concentrate on this small story, guys. Okay. Okay, just think about that, Padma, you only, right? Here what is that? Here just what? 1 minute, guys. Okay. Yeah, just think about that. Don't laugh. Okay, this is the actually. Okay, so just think about that, Padma. This is you only, right? And what is that? Here here me, I am there, right? Here I am there. Okay, I will conclude it, guys. Okay, it's not meaning that if anybody is laughing, then I will kick from here only, right? In the team only, I will kick you. Okay, so just understand the behind this. What is that? This is small story behind the region. Just understand. Okay, that because of that I'm explaining this one. Okay, okay, guys. So okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now, guys. Okay, so just think about that. This is the letter I'm writing later. Everyone know that. I know that. Okay, this is the letter. But whenever Padma is reading this letter, what she will read now? Tell guys. At least give the response, yeah.
Yes, C9.
But think about that me, right? I am, okay. But if I am reading the 9, what I can read it?
6.
6, right?
6.
Okay, good, good. So that is okay. I know that everyone know this. Like somewhere the people is reading this code, right? Come on, yaar, give the reply now.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi, yes.
So same
Yes.
thing. Yes, now it's okay. The actually Padma, I have too much respect to you. Okay, don't worry about that anything. Okay, sorry for that.
Ravi.
Listen. Let
No
them.
problem. No.
Okay, guys, you know why? Because whoever belonging from the India, this is the good time we can wake up it, right? But what is that? Padma, where the Padma is there currently now, her time is 3 o'clock. Okay, so in the last, like just after completing one is like what is that? One task in the last weekend. What I said, I called multiple time Padma. So what is that I said, right? I think Padma is slept.
Ravi, leave it. Ravi, no problem. Just for fun, I asked you. It's not like that.
And that is the recorded in the session, guys. Okay, so this is the situation for us. Okay, so don't worry about that anyone and anything. Okay, and don't take serious, Padma. This is the not serious thing. Okay, just I called you multiple.
Oh, no, Ravi.
So
In the last class, when you said that you called me 3 times, 4 times like that, but I was sleeping.
yes,
You
no,
said,
actually, so because of that, I said, right, the situation, because we are thinking in the same session, but the every person having different situation, guys. Okay, please try to understand. On that day, I was not understand. Because of that, some like I said, Padma, and the people is laughed. Okay, so okay, if anything is there, Padma, sorry for that. Nothing.
Ravi. No, Ravi. Even I laughed when I was listening to that video. I laughed a lot.
Oh, it's okay. No problem.
Especially Satish.
Yes.
Satish. Yeah.
Ah,
It's
okay.
okay, Ravi. Yeah, it's totally fine, Ravi. No problem.
It's okay. No, no, don't worry about that. Okay, I know that because you are there in the different time zone, and it's a really too much critical task to waking up 3 o'clock morning, right? And if even you are this much serious about that, see, by seeing your hard work, only anyone can start to respect you, Padma. Okay, already,
No, 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 Ravi.
yes.
Here, yeah, everybody is doing hard
No, it's
work.
a good only, but you know, Padma, you are there in the,
Yeah.
initial day onward, and even you are not missing one single session also, right? So
Yes.
that is the more important than anything, Padma. Okay, other people is just what is that coming in the session, they are lefting the session and all those things. Even sometime I'm also thinking about that you are handling the family as well as company pressure as well as what guys are having 2 kids, right? 2 kids, think about that as well as it
Yeah.
yeah, 2 kids as well as what family pressure as well as what company pressure. Think about that how much he is doing the hard work. And just by seeing these things, okay guys, anyone can start to giving the respect to these kind of people. Okay, these kind of people. So
No, Ravi.
no, really, Padma. Actually, see, I don't have any interest from anyone. But what is the goodness is there? I can expose in front of everyone, right? So it's a good only, right, Padma?
Thank
It's
you,
very
Ravi.
good, very good things. Okay. So, but last weekend,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, in the session, just I called multiple times, but I did not get any response. So I said that I know that because why I said that she is sleeping now, because I know your time zone, right? Other
Yes,
no,
yes, yeah.
other don't focus. Other people will focus on the subject only, but whom I'm teaching, right? The people is contacting me, so I know that who is the belonging from where and what is their time zone. So based on that time zone, I said that in the meeting also, I know that she is sleeping. Because of that, she is not giving the response. Okay. Yes. So because of that, the
No problem.
because of that, people are laughing. And the same things. Why I given the 9 example, because the situation we are thinking in the same session, but whoever belonging from the India, the people is thinking about that our own time zone, but you are belonging from the other time zone. So because of that, right? So the what we are there in the same platform, but what is that our time zone and our situation is different now, right? So
Yes,
we
yeah,
have need,
yeah.
yeah, we have need to understand, Padma. Okay, so don't worry. I will give.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you so much.
If you are joining the session, not joining the session, but still my support is there. Okay.
Thank you, Ravi. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay. Good. Okay. So let's start the session, guys. Okay. So now here, what is that submit button is there? Submit button is there now. Okay. Good. Okay, good. These are the inputs are there now, guys. These are the different inputs I will take. Okay, these are the different input. So just what is that? This is the text. I will take what is that text, and this one I will take what is the PWD password. I will take the password, and the gender I will take radio. Gender I will take the radio button. Here what is that? Project I will take what is that? Drop down. Project I will take what? Drop down. Drop down, right? Drop down. Address I will take text area. Address I will take a text area. And what is that? Check boxes. Language I will take what is the checkbox. Okay, this one I will take what? Checkbox. Okay, good. So now guys, okay, so good. So whenever we will click it, right? So just come here. What I said that this responsibility will take care by whom? This responsibility will take care by whom? Our IOC container. But what is that? This responsibility is our only, nah, guys, come on. This responsibility is what? Programmer responsibility, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, good. Okay, guys. So, okay. So what we will do now? What we will do now? Good. So here, what is that? whenever we will click on the submit button, suddenly what will happen now? Our IOC container will create what is that? This, right? Our IOC container will create what? This form data. Our IOC container will create what? This form data in the object format, right? This form data will convert in the object format now, guys. Okay. So what will happen now? Whenever we will click on the submit button, this object, this form object means what? Number of form equal to number of object. One object will create in the IOC container, right? In our IOC container, what? One object will create. Okay, good. So what is that? This is the object. This is the object now. Inside that, what will happen now? Inside that, what will happen now? This form input, right? This form fields will be stored, right? This form field will store inside that what? This object now, guys. Okay. Okay, good. So this object will got stored in what is that? This container, right? Sorry, this one is what? IOC container will create one form object, right? Our Spring container will create what? One form object. Okay, so good. So after then what will happen now in our what? Our controller class, right? In our controller class, if we read this what? This object, right? If we read this object, then what will happen now? What will happen now? We have need what is that? To use what is that? Model attribute, right? Model attribute, then we can read it or not, guys. Come on, in the last session, what is that? Just think about that. This is the employee, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is what? Employee controller is there, right? This is what? Employee controller is there. Inside that, if we want to read this object from the container, what annotation we use now, guys? At the rate, what is that? Model attribute.
Model at
Yeah, model attribute, right? We will use what? Model attribute to read what? This input, this form data, right? Sorry, this object from the container. But what is that? So number of what is that? First, what we will do now? This form is there, right? So I said that come here, right? Come here. What I said now, guys? So here defined a class with what? Any
number
name.
of input.
Yeah. So what is that? How many inputs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 7 inputs are there. So first, what we will do now? One form is there, register form is there. Then what we will do now? One class also we will create. What is that?
Class
One.
is required.
Yes. One, what we will do now? One class we will create it. So okay, just think about that. This is the execution flow of what is that? Our what form. After then what? It will create the object. After then what we will do now? In our controller, we will read this what? We will read this what? Object. Okay, guys. So but what? Yes, good. So here what we will do now? So this is just think about that. This is our what? Form data is there, right? Sorry, this is our what? Form is there. Okay, good. Okay. This is our form is there. Okay, so how our IOC container will create the data object means what? One what we will do now? One class
Class
we will sorry guys. Okay, one class will be there, right? One model class is there, right? So just I'm going to take that one class, right? So I said that, okay, come here. What is that? Programmer is following 4 steps. What is that? Define a class with what? Any name. So what is that? This is the employee form. So what I'm going to create now, guys, one class I'm going to create. Okay, so what is that class? Just take the class only, right? Class what? Employee. I'm taking one employee class. Inside that, what I'm going to do now? Okay, good. Okay, guys, good. So one class means what is that? One form equal to what? One class we created now, guys. Okay, one form equal to what? One class we created now. Good. So next is to provide what? Default constructor. Okay, so we know that if we not provide any constructor, then what? Our Java will provide what? A default constructor or not, guys? Our
Yes,
Java-
default constructor, Ravi.
Yes, good.
Yes.
Good. So our Java will create what? One default constructor now, guys. Okay, good. So now fine now, guys. So here what? Here what? Okay, so next one is what? Next one is what? Okay, number of variable equal to number of inputs. So guys, okay, how many inputs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 inputs is there or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
So then what we will do now? What we will do now in this class? Number of input equal to number of variable. We will create it or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so then private. What is that? String.